family, this your girl Tiana, like only be me, y'all, and I'm back with another video. This time I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make some Rice Krispies my way. So just keep watching and you'll see what it is that I do to make my Rice Krispies. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below to let me know that y'all have stopped by my channel. Just say hey. That's all you gotta do. Just say hey. But anyway, let's get into this video. We're about to make some Rice Krispies. So I have 2 bags of marshmallows. They are the 10-ounce bags. My husband, he loves marshmallows. He loves Rice Krispies, so I make a big batch just for him. And I'm going to be putting them in this pan. Alright, so I'm going to turn my heat down because it want to get a little right about now. So in my pot, I'm going to add some butter. I just add enough butter to coat all of the marshmallows to keep them, to melt it down. Butter, margarine, whichever one, don't matter. Get a little bit more. I'm going to show y'all what it looks like in a minute. It ain't that much. Not really. So I'm just melting my butter right now. And while the butter is melting, I'm going to take my pan and add a little bit of cooking oil to it, just to keep the marshmallows from sticking. Okay, y'all, so look, if you can see, oh, hold on, because it ain't gonna look like that. Alright, so I'm going to turn this heat down. I'm going to bring y'all over here so you can see how much butter in this pot. You see? Not much butter. Okay. So now I'm going to take these 2 bags of marshmallows and dump them in this pot. And the trick to your marshmallows is not to add the Rice Krispie cereal to the marshmallows until it cools down. Because if you add them right away, then your cereal treats will taste, Rice Krispie treats will taste stale. So you have to wait until your marshmallow cool down just a little bit. You know, cool down enough What you're doing is melting these marshmallows down. He like his with, you know, little chunks of marshmallows in there. So I don't melt them all the way down, but I melt them enough. This is what I got so far, y'all. This is what I have so far. So I'm gonna keep melting them. Alright, I'm going to turn it off because this is about how he likes it. You see, it's melted, but it still has a little chunks in there, and that's how he like it. So I'll be back when it's cooled down just a little bit, and then we're going to add the cereal to it. Alright, y'all, so I have some plain old Rice Krispie cereal from Walmart, just a great value brand. And I'm going to add a little of these cereal at a time. Just a little at a time, mixing it in. I'm going to coat those and add some more. Now you see how that look? It still look like a lot of marshmallow. You can tell you can still add some more. Just a little at a time. It get thick on you now, y'all. Got to put that arm muscle into it. Okay. See, when you let it cool down, it still has that little crunch to it. And it's not like it cooked the cereal, where the cereal is too soft. You see? See, the cereal is stale gets stale when you have your marshmallow too hot. So we're gonna take this. It's still sticky, but this is how he like it. Not with too many cereal, just right. So we're just gonna take this and put it in this pan. I try to make them thick for him because he will eat this whole pan in one day. Okay, so I'm gonna get that and just mash them down in this pan. Not really like mashing them, you're just evening it out. Okay, and that's all you do. Very, very simple. And I just put mine in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. you know, to stiffen them up, because I do not leave them in the refrigerator. After they get stiff, I cut them up and I put them in my cake plate, and he eat them from there. So, hold on, I'm gonna flip the camera around. Alright, family, this is the Rice Krispie. And I'm gonna get close so you kind of see. But this is what I like my Rice Krispies to look like. And they still have a crunch to them. And they are delicious. Okay, you guys, that is the completion of the Rice Krispies that I have made. And the way that I like them and my husband like them. He eats them more than I do. But I want to thank y'all for watching my video. I want to thank y'all for taking out the time to, you know, come over and show you girls some love. So until the next time, you guys, y'all have a blessed day. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified. So, oh, and don't forget to share. Share my videos also, you guys. I want to be able to get to 500 subscribers by Christmas. And I know you guys will help me get there. So y'all have a blessed day. This is your girl Tiana. I Can Only Be Me. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace.